Guys, today we'll talk about what if the placements disappear from the MBA scene. What if there's no placement given by any college? Or in the world, let's take the example of the low-end colleges which are not giving any jobs. Number one, no problem. I have my dad, bahut ameer hai. I'll go back and work with my dad. So obviously those are super rich. Obviously they don't need to worry about that. But for a people like Garib Admi like me, those who are belong to a very middle class family, it's a main thing. So the first impact which is going to happen is that if the placement low, the value of MBA will go down. Not even 50% of people will be giving the CAT exam or the MBA, any of the entrance exam within no placement. That's going to be a major impact because the value of MBA, I feel, is because of the placement. So there is no placement. That's the biggest negative side of the MBA scenario. On the positive side, if there is no placement, the focus on education will go up. Like for the next 2 years, only those people will come for MBA, those who actually want to add value and do better in the corporate world. So the education wise goes up if there is no placement. If there is no end result, no goal, the journey will become more and more beautiful. That is the point number 2. On the negative side, there will be no motivation left to study. 2 साल में पढ़ता क्यों? So that I can get the top job in campus. If there is no job in campus, if I want to go back to the same company, or what is happening in the part-time MBA, the same scenario as the part-time MBAs, same scenario as the digital learning MBA, the only addition is the value addition is the studies. But because there is no placement, the incentive to study, incentive to give exam or score when the exam is very low. That is another negative side from this thing. Fine. Positive side is no politics at the B school. Trust me, one of the major problem in the B school is the politics which is going around the placement committee and the placement people. So if there is no placement at the B schools, the placement scenario, there is no politics at the colleges. That's another positive side. On the negative side, you have to register on Naukri.com, Monster.com or even Shaadi.com. In fact, in case you're not getting the चल यार कोई नहीं MBA ना से लड़के तो ढूंढ लें MBA के नाम पर the degree will help you to get married in a decent family. Okay, jokes apart, but that's the thing. On the positive side, हाथी घोड़ा गधा सब बराबर. That's the main agenda. If there is no placement, even if from IIMs, you are from SPJ and you are from Bajaj, every college will become same. Okay, SPJ and Bajaj is already same, but you from a low rank college and a high rank college, everything is going to be decided by how you perform in the interview. That is going to be the biggest achievement of no placement, because achievement is the biggest positive point. Like one CAT score should not decide what you're going to do in life, right? Obviously, how you behave in the interview, your personality, everything is important. So every placement, if there is no college ka brand name with you to support you for the placement, everything will boil down to how you perform. Last point, the major positive point of the if there is no placement is a networking will take over, huge impact. Networking means whom you are connected on social media, whom you are connected with anybody, because you have to float your resumes everywhere and you have to take admission that way. Fine. So because of that, your networking skills will become more and more important because you have to fight for the placements. So network se yaad aaya, do connect with me on Instagram. I've given the Instagram link in the description box. So guys, I'm picking up this series of videos in which you can talk about nonsense. So like this, what if this happen, which is actually happening at various B school. If there's no placement, this is what you have to do. So if you do like this series, what if this disappear, please do comment. Any idea you want to give me, what if this happen, what if that happen, how will you perform and how will the scenario change in MBA? You have to decide. All the best.